Hi students, yes, we studied experiences hospital this chapter in the previous class. So here total 6 extracts are there. Totally 4 extracts are completed. So total 4 extracts are already completed. So first one Abhijit, you already studied about Abhijit. Okay, how many years you old? He was 33 years old. Yes, he was admitted in CMC hospital. Okay, why admitted hospital? Why admitted in the hospital? Because by accident. For this reason, he admitted. Total 8 days is spent in the hospital. Abhijit, 33 years old. So he admitted in CMC hospital. Reason is by accident. Okay, second extract also you already learned. About whom? Nancy. She was 69 years old. 3 months she spent. So she admitted in Saint Stephen's, okay, hospital. 3 months. Total 3 months she spent in the hospital because her hip was broken. Her hip was broken. Her hip was broken. Okay. Nancy is 69 years old. She admitted in the Saint Stephen's Hospital. Reason is what? Reason was her hip was broken. Then third extracts about Dolly. Okay. She was 13 years old girl. So 3 days. She spent 3 days in the hospital. Why she admitted in the hospital? Because appendix problem. Okay, appendix. Okay, she was alone in the hospital because both, it means her parents both were employees, job holders. That's the reason she spent alone in the hospital. Only the ward girls just encouraged her to recovery very soon. Okay, then Dravid, he was 42 years old. 42 years old he was. He suffered from what? Headache, headache and high temperature. Headache and high temperature. Yes, he suffered from water, headache plus high temperature. So then, next extract. Now you know about Nagma. Now you are learning about whom? Nagma. She was 74 years old. Okay, how many years old? 74 years old. Now let us see fifth extracts regarding about Nagma. Okay, Nagma, she was 74 years old. Let's see what type of Nagma she had experienced in the hospital. Let's see. I had an operation to have a contracts removed from my eyes. The surgeon had warned me not to expect too much from the operation. However, considering my age, it was suggested not to delay the operation anymore. Okay, I went for the operation unwillingly, but now I am absolutely delighted. I can see almost as well as I could when I was a young woman. I was well looked if I wanted anything. They took particular timing or good care of me while my eyes were bandaged and I couldn't see to go to the bathroom. Here, let's see what's happened. Why she admitted? What type of experience she got? Let's see. She had an operation. She had an eye operation. Eye operation. Eye operation. Why? He couldn't see anything. After his, when you became old, you couldn't see anything. So when you get the operation, eye operation, after that you can see everything clearly. Okay, when you are in old age. So that's like here, Nagma, she was 74 years old. She couldn't see anything. So she had an operation. She had an operation to have contracts. Contract means kannina pore. ಏಜ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪೊರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯಾವ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಪೊರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಪೊರೆ ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಸೊ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈ ಐಸ್ it means her eyes. The surgeon had warned me not to expect too much from the operation. Surgeon warned to her. What the surgeon warned to her? Let's see. Not to expect too much from the operation. How you can see when you are in a young age that like you can't see that much. So don't expect too much from the operation. So much from the operation. However, considering my age, it was suggested not to delay the operation anymore. It means the doctor suggested her, don't make late or delay. You should get the operation early. Don't make late. Just like the doctor suggested her. However, considering my age, it was suggested not to delay the operation anymore. I went for the operation unwillingly. Yes, actually, she was afraid of operation because already she was a old lady. So she was afraid of operation. So she went for the operation unwillingly. Unwillingly means not interested in operation. Unwilling means not interested. Okay, in operation unwillingly. So she went for the operation unwillingly, but now I am absolutely delighted. Yes, after operation, when I had operation, now I am okay completely. I am perfect. I can see anything. How I saw when I was in age, it means engaged. That like now also I can see after the operation. I am absolutely delighted. It means I am very happy. I can see almost as well as I could when I was a young woman. How I saw everything when I was a young man. Okay, young woman. That like now I can see. I was well looked after. The nurses, in spite of being really busy. Yes, even the nurses took care of me too much. When they were busy, although they took care of me. Nurse, being really busy, always found time to ask if I wanted anything. Yes, always the nurse asked the patient, what you want, what you need. So that's like here also, nurse asked her what I want. Time to ask if I wanted anything. They took particularly good care of me. Yes, they took good care of me. While my eyes were bandaged, I couldn't see to go to the bathroom. Even when her eyes were bandaged, he couldn't move. He couldn't go anywhere. Even bathroom also. At the moment, nurses were helped her. Yes, while my eyes were bandaged and I couldn't, it means she couldn't see to go to the bathroom. This like she spent her time in the hospital. Next, last extract is there. Amir. His name Amir. So 56 years old. He was 56 years old. So why admitted in hospital? Let's see. When I woke up, it came to me as a great surprise. The nurse told me I would be found frozen on the park bench where I would be sleeping in the open. They said that frosty weather might well have resulted in my death. All the doctor could do was given me check up and discharge me. Yes, he woke up. When Amir woke up, it surprised to him. It was surprise to him. So what surprise to him? Let's see. The nurse told to him. The nurse told to Amir. Nurse told him he would be found frozen on the park. Yes, he was you were sleeping on the park bench. Where he was sleeping? He was sleeping on the park bench. Nurse told me he would be found frozen. Frozen means what? Something it became a solid. That is called frozen. Yes, not shivering. That is called shivering. Okay. On the park bench where I would be sleeping in the open. Yes, he was sleeping on the open area. They said the frosty weather might well have resulted in my death. Maybe he suffered from a cold atmosphere. He suffered from a cold atmosphere because he was sleeping on the bench in the open space. That's reason. They said that frosty weather might well have resulted in my death. All doctors could do was given me checkup and discharge me. Yes, doctors what's happened, treated me and discharged me. Yes, doctor gave the treatment as well as discharged him from the hospital. That's the next. But before I left, they put me in touch with a local social worker, especially who admitted him in the hospital. Who are the local social workers are there? Those admitted in the hospital. Okay, social workers. Who admitted him? Social workers. Social workers admitted him. But before I left, they put me in touch with the local social workers. That's the next. I was then out of job and had nowhere lay my head. Yes, I was then out of my job. It means I was jobless. Yes, I was jobless when social workers admitted me in the hospital. At the moment, I was jobless. It means I had no any job. I had no any job. I was then out of job and had nowhere lay my head. The social worker managed to get me a place in the charity home where I could stay for a few days. Very soon he found me a job with a dairy farmer and I am still working there. Yes. After the help of social workers, he spent some days in charity home. Anath ashram anta kariತೀವಿ. So charity home means anath ashram. So anath ashramದಲ್ಲಿ he spent few days. Okay, with the help of social workers. See that. Social workers managed to get me a place in a charity home where I could stay for a few days. It means 1 week or 2 weeks. Just he spent his timing in a charity home after discharge from the hospital. Very soon, immediately he found a job. It means immediately he got a job. He got a job. See, very soon he found me a job. He found me a job with a dairy farmer. Yes, he found. It means dairy farmer. What's happened? Give me a job. Give me a job. He found me a job with a dairy farmer, still working there. Still I am working with the dairy farmer. So this like a total experiences they told here. First one Abhijit, okay. Second one Nancy. Third one Dolly. Fourth one Dravid. Fifth one Nagma. Why she admitted? Because eyesight problem. That's reason she was a old. She was a old lady, so she had an operation. After operation, she can see everything clearly. How she could see when she was in young age, that like after operation, she can see everything clearly. So then the nurses treated well, very well. Nurse took care of her very lovely. Then Hamid, okay, 56 years old he was. So he was suffered from a cold. He suffered from cold. So admitted in the hospital with the help of social workers. Then when he discharged from the hospital, he spent few days in the charity home. Few days later, he got the job. Still, he was doing the same work. So these type of total 6 extracts you learned what type of they had the experiences in the hospital. Okay. Yes, read and find. So put a tick, yes mark or cross, it means wrong statement for us. Okay, you have to choose. Dagma could see quite well after their operation. Yes, after operation, she quite well. She could see naturally. Then Abhijit gained conscious on reaching the hospital. Yes, because actually he was unconscious when he reached the hospital. So this is a wrong. Read and find. True or false? First one is what a statement is there. Nagma could see quite well after her operation. So first one right. Second one was statement is there. Abhijit gained the consciousness on reaching the hospital. Yes, totally was unconscious. So into mark. Then Nancy broke her lip when she slipped on the wet pavement. Yes, right. Fourth one. Hamid was found sleeping under the park bench in the frosty weather. No, okay, he was sleeping on the bench. Okay, the doctor said Dravid and headache because high temperature. Yes, fifth one is right. He suffered from a headache and high temperature. Sixth one. Dolly was sad when the doctor said she could eat nothing but ice cream. Yes, right mark. Okay, this slide. Yes, choose the correct option to answer each question. Who had a collision? It means who met accident. So here Abhijit, Nancy, Dravid, Amit. Abhijit. Second one, who was definitely seen by several doctors? Yes, Dravid. Who is the most critical of patients? Dravid. Who gain almost nothing by being admitted to hospital? Okay, who is that? Abhijit and Nagma. Who had done something very sensible the day he or she went to the hospital? Abhijit. Okay. So those things we are discussing in the next class. What are the grammar cards given? Those points we have to think. So homework is what? Read the lesson and collect the hard words and write their meaning. Okay, see you in the next class. Thanks for watching the videos.